Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 248. This was the 5th of May 2023, a Friday. So this is my very last day on the platform for the leads, and I'm not continuing with it, although it was a very educational experience, and actually I made sale number 7 in the afternoon because I had an outbrief with them in the morning, gave them a chance to give some feedback, explain why I wasn't continuing with the system. The people there were very gracious, and I'm grateful. That's my gratitude for the day. I'm grateful for those folks who run that system, the VAs, the managers, everybody a part of that system. I learned a lot, but also that's not a sustainable business model for me. I want to have something with a little bit more flexibility. So, but I don't regret being involved with that. It was a good system. I wouldn't say I made any money. I didn't lose any money. I don't think I probably did lose a little bit of money, but keeping some of that business, in subsequent, years, it'll be a net. I think it'll be a net gain. So that's my day for Friday, the 5th of May, 2023, day 248. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I will talk to you again soon.